Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the Paramount Plus app on your Hisense Smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming movies, TV shows, and live sports. Step 1. Turn on your Hisense Smart TV and ensure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store on your Hisense Smart TV, which may be called the App Gallery or similar depending on your TV model. Step 3. Search for the Paramount Plus app by typing Paramount Plus or Paramount into the search bar. Step 4. Select the Paramount Plus app from the search results and click Install or Download to add it to your TV. Step 5. Once the app is installed, open it from your list of installed apps. Step 6. The Paramount Plus app will display an activation code on your TV screen along with instructions to visit ParamountPlus.com activate. Step 7. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to ParamountPlus.com activate. Step 8. Log in to your Paramount Plus account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and subscribe to a plan. Step 9. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the provided field on the website. Step 10. Click Activate or Submit to complete the linking process. Step 11. Return to your Hisense Smart TV and wait for the app to refresh and display the Paramount Plus home screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.